You can see the blacksmith shop is overgrown with even trees growing out of it. There's two vents sticking out. Those may have been the exhaust for the blacksmith hammer, or steam hammer, which they say may still be in there. Here's the inside of the blacksmith shop. But probably one of the biggest finds of today. There is the actual steam hammer that we have a picture of. We were told it had been scrapped out, but nope, there it is. It's still there. And that was probably the bridge crane they used to handle the parts that were being put under the hammer. So that is one of the amazing finds. The original steam-powered hammer. Further back in the shop, here's a second smaller hammer. You can't see it for the trees, but there was a jib crane on the other side that they used to lift and hold the pieces while they were hammering them. Here's a view of what I think was the rolling mill from the other side. And you can see it looks like another either walkway or a crane over there. Another machine, use of which I am not sure. Maybe one of our viewers knows. Still inside the blacksmith shop.
Hammering, you
some
can
more
feel
machinery.
the vibrations throughout the entire facility.
Here we are in the machine shop. There's still more of the cranes they use to handle the heavy parts.
It took 100 years for this to be a multi-gender bathroom.
Oh gosh. The nameplate on one and the nameplate on the other. We're currently inside what they call the lining shop. The part that looks like an oven in there is a new part. While this part dates back to Santa Fe days. All the way back there. We are in the former woodworking shop. I think what I said before was wrong, but back in the day, train cars used to use a lot of wood. And so this is where the carpenters would make the wooden parts. In later years, they used wood for lining the box cars. But eventually they got away from that. And today it's used to work on the articulated cars. Here's the store. The warehouse is behind me. There's the shop, the bank shop, the machine shop, and the locomotive shop, and finally the boardhouse.